Hey, I'm Billy Roberts. I came here. I'm 35 years old. I've had multiple back injuries. I've been in blue collar construction work my whole life doing structural steel. I worked in a rock quarry doing heavy equipment welding, and I ripped all the muscles in the lower lumbar of my spine, and I thought I wasn't ever going to get over it. I've always just dealt with it, took medication, done different things, and the first time I came here, I got relief. By the third time, I was fixed. Like, I've been coming, this is my 6th visit today, and I feel like I did when I was 21. I'm 35 now, so I didn't have to have any surgery. I'm not taking any medication. I can follow me with the phone. That was, I used to slip a disc on a weekly basis if I tried that. Because all the muscles in my spine would just let it pop out. So he's fixed me. You know, this is a great program. People might not believe it. People might not, you know, understand it. They might not go, what's going on, but just try it.
Right.
Do it 3 times. If it doesn't fix you by the 3rd time, what's it hurt?
Right. So would you say like Winter Wellness Center? This where you came to Gainesville, Georgia?
This is Winter Wellness Center in Gainesville, Georgia on Green Street. Y'all need to come try it out.